Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super practical Power BI tutorial for you, one that'll save you from the headache of messy data. If you've ever imported comments or notes into Power BI, but all the sentences just run together in one long line, I'll show you how to introduce line breaks, so your multi-line text fields actually display as intended. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean up your table visuals, making your data much easier to read at a glance. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to open up your Power BI file and head over to the Home tab. Once you're there, look for the Transform Data button. Think of this like entering Power BI's workshop. It's the place where you can roll up your sleeves and really shape your data before it's shown in any reports or visuals. Go ahead and click on Transform Data. This is going to bring up the Power Query Editor, which is basically the behind-the-scenes control room for your dataset. Now in the Query Editor, find the column where your long comment or note texts are stored. Most likely it's labeled Comments or something similar. Click to select that column. What you're doing here is telling Power BI, hey, I want to make some changes to this particular set of data. This focus is important because we want every comment in that column to display with those handy line breaks, making everything much more readable. With your column selected, head up to the Transform tab and choose Replace Values. If you've never used Replace Values before, picture it as a powerful find and swap tool. It's perfect for cleaning up data or formatting things just how you need them. In the box that pops up, you'll see two fields. In the first field, type in a period followed by a space, so just a dot and a space. This is because in most cases, sentences in comments end with a period and a space, so searching for this ensures we're catching the most likely spot where one idea finishes and another begins. Now here's a key detail. See the advanced options? Click on this to expand it. There's an option that says replace using special characters. This is where the magic happens. By default, Power BI will just replace plain text, but with this option turned on, you can actually introduce elements like line breaks into your data. Once you check that box, you'll get a list. Choose Line Feed. A line feed is the technical term for what creates a line break, so this tells Power BI to drop your cursor down to a new line every time it finds that period and space. After you've set that up, click OK. Now don't worry if it takes a moment for Power Query to process, especially if you have a big data set. Once it's done, you'll already notice in the preview window that your comments look a lot more tidy, like paragraphs instead of run-on sentences. But before you wrap up, make sure to apply and save these changes. Click Close and Apply at the top left, and this will bring you back to the main Power BI window with your newly formatted data in tow. Now let's put it to the test. Head into Report View and set up a simple table visual using your comments column. Just drag it into a new table and take a look. Those sentences should now appear stacked with proper line breaks, just like they'd show up in an email or a Word document. It's a small detail, but it really makes your reports clearer and more professional. And that's it. You've just solved a common Power BI frustration with just a couple of clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. It really helps out. If you've got any questions about Power BI or you're running into any issues with your own data, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.